Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
Manufacturers who are going to put up their factory there, right? Second, if you see the film sector, the film fraternity, anybody who is coming to Abu Dhabi or Dubai for shooting a film, okay, we are giving cash back. For example, if they are spending about 1 million, they get 30% is given back to them as cash back, right? So in different sectors we have different structures, right? So once you reach out to us, okay, we can give specific details rather than giving a general statement. It doesn't help anybody.
Sir, thank you very much. Actually, this sort of support inspire people to go any destination. So now come to the policy aspect, because we have discussed many things in the business level. From the policy perspective, you have rightly mentioned that UAE signed comprehensive economic partnership agreement with India. So 92% of Indian products or UAE products are enjoying a minimum amount of import duty among both the countries. Bangladesh is one of the friendly nations with Dubai, but till now we are yet to sign any free trade agreement or preferential trade agreement or comprehensive economic partnership agreement with UAE. In such a situation, how would you like to evaluate the investment climate, investment ecosystem of Dubai for Bangladeshi investors?
No, in this scenario, I think it is only a question of time. Now that India has signed, okay, it is only a question of time. Bangladesh also will be coming forward, and then the treaty will be signed, so that the relationship between Bangladesh and India, UAE improves, and the gap between import and export also bridges the gap. But until such time, definitely the import or the export, it is definitely going to cost a little higher side because of the tax structures. So that is something which needs to be factored while doing business. For example, if somebody wants to import a product, that tax structure has to be factored. But when the treaty is signed and when we are able to bring the tax structures down, whatever this factor additional benefit definitely goes into their profit, and they will be able to do more and more trading between both the countries. So that is what we are looking at. And I'm sure probably by mid of 2023, we will look at signing an agreement between both the countries. I believe that, yeah.
Sir, actually, I know a few UAE company has presence in Bangladesh. And also a few Bangladeshi traders, they just rent a shop, small shop over there in Dubai or Sharjah, and they start just retailing the Bangladeshi product as well as Indian product and other products, but they are Bangladeshi origin businessmen. So how you are just looking forward for Dubai or UAE company to come here in Bangladesh and invest, and vice versa, how Bangladeshi company will go there and have their international presence? So what is your expectation?
As I told you, the mindset has to change. Like what you said, Bangladesh people are having some small shops, retail shops in small places. That mindset has to change. The big players of Bangladesh needs to come and make their presence here. They need to have their shop in big malls like Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, or a Mall of Emirates, which are all premium branded shops. So we should make sure that Bangladeshi people are also having business establishment in these places, along with the international brands like Gucci or Adidas. Okay, so we need to make sure that that mindset has to change. It's not that Bangladesh business community needs to look at only retail or small shops or small cafeteria or no, they need to come forward, and we are there to support them. Come forward, open up shops or open up businesses in bigger and compete with the global market rather than small traders. And the similar fashion, UAE also will look at establishing their presence in bigger sectors not in small shops or retail. That's all something which we need to move out and look at bigger things in life and grow. Bangladesh needs to come up and at par with international brands. They have the potential, they have the capacity, they have the capability. So why not? Why not?
Sir, actually, as you mentioned, the European, all the brands, they come here in Dubai, UAE, and other cities. So they are establishing their businesses, factories, companies over UAE. So Bangladeshi companies should also go there. So in such case, we have government to government, very congenial relationship, very friendly relationship, very supporting relationship. But I myself serve in the most prestigious Bangladeshi Chamber of Commerce, that is FPCCI. I served over there. I served in the Dhaka Chamber, another prestigious organization. So during my 15 or 16 years of service in those particular business entity, the largest Chamber of Commerce, I hardly find any business delegation of 50 members or 100 members visited UAE, or any 100-member UAE businessmen come here in Bangladesh. So why this private sector movement, private sector gathering, private sector interaction and networking is not happening?
No, you see, UAE has never stopped any delegations. If you see, even last week, we got a delegation of about 75 people from India and about 30 people from Sri Lanka. They're coming. So people are coming in, they come as a group. About all the, say, for example, 30 people delegation, each people will be having individual businesses, 30 businesses. Yes. So they come here, they try to open up companies individually. And we also give them suggestions. We tell them, if, for example, out of the 30 companies, we find that 10 companies are very small companies. They don't have the capability of opening up a bigger company here. So what we tell them, all these 10 companies put together, okay, open one investment company, one single holding company in UAE, under which all the 30 will come. They can share the expenses, okay. And what happened is they are able to kind of go together and then as a approach the market in a bigger manner rather than individual small people. So there are various potential. The community needs to come forward. Probably they feel that they don't have the right person to contact in UAE, or I don't know. So I think that is where you need to promote us, and you tell them to contact us anytime. We are open 24/7. They can approach us. If they want a delegation to come, we will take care of them. We will sit with them, discuss with them, give them all the guidance, and we will take it forward. Please, you please inform your community.
Sir, it is done. It is done that developing Bangladesh under this banner or any other banner will lead at least 130-member large company delegation to Dubai next year, inshallah. Inshallah, under your support. And I need your blessings.
One more thing, what I suggest you is, see, for example, next month we are having an African UAE summit. Last week we had an India UAE summit. We are going to have one for Sri Lanka. In a similar fashion, I think we need to have a UAE Bangladesh summit where the Chamber of Commerce of Bangladesh can take the initiative, and we can give our patronage, we can give our name saying that this will be under the patronage of His Highness, and we can have a beautiful event in Dubai where Bangladesh people can come and network with the people in UAE.
Sir, thank you. Actually, in this particular point, I'd like to draw kind attention of the Federation Chamber here in Bangladesh, and also the Metropolitan Chamber, Dhaka Chamber, and other leading business community with Chittagong Chamber. So the leading business community obviously will take initiative and visit Dubai with a business delegation. Actually, I started this initiative with my previous employer, but as now I am somehow working in a different place, but I am hopeful that I will continue this initiative if your kind support is there. And sir, thank you very much for joining us and just giving us so many information. I know you are very busy, and thank you for your time and effort.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.